Welcome to Hogs Falls in Ottawa, a peaceful place where the city meets nature. Join me on this relaxing walk to experience the calm beauty and soothing
The
sound
view is
of
so
this
amazing over here.
hidden gem in the capital.
It's so beautiful. So there are multiple viewpoints. So we will go with different with. So we will go with the different viewpoints over here. Okay, so far this is so awesome over here. The sun is not on a good spot right now, but let me show you the first viewpoint and then I will go to a different view. Oh wow, so here we have multiple points over here. Hello. Okay, so here we have some more points over here. Okay, so people are okay, so over here we now okay, so I'm taking a trail to go down. Okay, so we are not going to this route because it looks difficult. Now I'm walking towards the other point. So there is a small bridge which takes you to the Hog Falls other side. I would say west side. Okay, so now people are walking towards the oh, this is so beautiful. Huh? Yeah. So I'm visiting the Waterfall in Ottawa, and you can see the view is so amazing over here. Another amazing view of the Waterfall. This place is unbelievable, by the way. Look at the view from here. And this is the bridge we came from. We came from that side, and so I'm walking along the this is so beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so we are going down. This place is so beautiful. Okay, so now we are almost at the water level. Wow, this place is so beautiful. In the back, we have autumn trees which are looking so nice. Okay, I'm going to climb. Okay, so now we are going back